This is not a motorcycle. This is an unstoppable force of nature disguised as a machine. The Triumph Tiger 1200 doesn't whisper adventure, it roars it, through jungles, deserts, mountains, and concrete war zones. It's not designed for casual rides. It's engineered for those who look at borders, cliffs, and impossible terrain and think, let's go. The Tiger 1200 GT and rally variants aren't just adventure bikes. They are warhorses for the modern explorer, forged in grit and finished with finesse. When Triumph said they were taking the Tiger 1200 to the next level, they meant every word. This isn't a minor update. It's a ground-up transformation. The GT is the road-focused predator, built for domination on highways and twisties, while the Rally is the untamed beast built to conquer gravel, rock, and wilderness. Both are built on the same savage heart, a new 1160cc inline triple-cylinder engine, pushing a thunderous 148 horsepower and 130 Nm of torque. It's not just fast for an adventure bike, it's dangerously quick for a bike its size. And yet, it's remarkably refined. Smooth power delivery, torque on demand, and a throttle response that's not just sharp, it's surgical. Twist the throttle and the Tiger responds like a predator freed from a cage. That new T-plane crank. It gives the engine a raw, uneven pulse that feels alive beneath you, almost animalistic. And yet, it's under perfect control. The sound is like nothing else. Deep, aggressive, and soul-thumping. The shaft drive is lighter and more efficient, giving you relentless power without maintenance drama. Triumph didn't just build a powerful machine, they made it civilized where it needs to be, and a monster everywhere else. But where the Tiger 1200 truly becomes supernatural is in its handling. This isn't a heavy lumbering beast, it feels agile, responsive, and light. Thanks to its new frame and lighter components, it's over 25 kilograms lighter than the previous version. You feel that difference in every corner, every jump, every standstill. The GT variant comes with a 19 inches front cast wheel, tuned for highway and tarmac precision. The Rally version goes full savage, 21 inches front spoked wheel ready to dig into mud, sand, and chaos. And both versions come with Showa semi-active suspension that automatically adjusts damping in real time. Whether you're flying over a pothole or drifting through sand, the bike adapts faster than your instincts. Now look closer, and you'll find the genius hidden inside. The Tiger 1200's 7-inch TFT display is crystal clear, responsive, and customizable. Navigation, riding modes, settings, everything is intuitive, elegant, and fast. You get 6 riding modes: Rain, Road, Sport, Rider Configurable, Off-Road, and Off-Road Pro. The moment you switch modes, the entire character of the bike changes: throttle response, ABS sensitivity, traction control tuning, everything reshapes itself for what lies ahead. And Triumph didn't stop there. The new blind spot radar system is a game changer, especially for long-distance highway warriors. Paired with lane change assist and rear radar detection, it gives you an invisible guardian watching your 6. Cruise control, cornering ABS, hill hold assist, and keyless ignition add to the luxury, but this is still a weapon at its core. With cornering traction control backed by an IMU, inertial measurement unit, you can push this bike harder into corners than anything else in its class, and it won't blink. The GT variant is made for the continent destroyers, the riders who chew up highways and blast through cities. It's comfortable, road-biased, and luxurious, but when you want to kick dirt, it won't hold back. The Rally is built for savages, riders who disappear into jungles, climb rocks, and chase the horizon with blood in their eyes. The aluminum sump guard, engine protection bars, and off-road pegs scream one message: take me anywhere. And yes, it's practical too. The seat is adjustable, the windscreen is electronically controlled, and the ergonomics are tested for comfort over thousands of kilometers. Heated grips and heated seats keep you warm in Himalayan passes or icy tundras. USB ports, power sockets, and Bluetooth connectivity make it your mobile command center. Triumph even offers adaptive cornering lights, lighting up turns as you lean, because adventure doesn't stop when the sun goes down. Then there's the price. The Tiger 1200 GT starts around 19.4 lakh rupees in India, while the Rally variants go up to Rupee 21 to 22 lakhs, depending on spec. And let's be clear, it's not cheap. But that's because it's not built for cheap thrills. It's built for riders who live, breathe, and bleed the road less traveled. It's an investment in freedom, in domination, in becoming something more than a rider, becoming a conqueror. Hidden features. You're standing on them. The center of gravity is lower. The rear fuel tank is reshaped for balance. The bike feels planted, even when loaded with luggage, gear, and attitude. Triumph even offers key add-ons like aluminum panniers, top boxes, and protection kits, all factory engineered to integrate seamlessly. It's not just an adventure bike, it's a full battle platform. There are motorcycles that take you places. Then there are motorcycles that take you beyond places, into the unknown, into the wild, into the parts of yourself you haven't met yet. The Triumph Tiger 1200 is not for those who play safe. It's for those who hear thunder and twist the throttle to answer it. It's a crown for the rider who doesn't follow trails, he creates them. Auto Hum channel, like, subscribe, thanks.